In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do hip extensions with a resistance band. Now, it doesn't matter if you've got one of these longer looped resistance bands or you've got a smaller resistance band. I'm going to actually show you in this video how to do the exercise with both. Now, the whole point of hip extension is to work your glutes. So we're working specifically the glute max, and it's really important that we get the setup right to make sure the glutes are getting the maximum benefit and we're not starting to incorporate the lower back too much in this exercise. So if you've got one of these longer bands, you'll notice here I'm on a mat. I'm actually going to bring this band in a position where it's on the mat and I've got it looped. Now, I want to have my knee in the middle of this band as well as my foot, because I'm going to bring the band in a position where it's on my midfoot. I'm then going to come forwards into a tabletop position, so I'm on my hands and knees. And now what I can do is I can just push directly back with the foot. So imagine you're kicking directly back with the foot and coming back in. You should feel a squeeze of the glutes when you kick back, but what you don't want to do is excessively arch the lower back too much when you do the exercise. So for those that are struggling with coming into the exercise and they find themselves doing this using too much lower back, try to tuck your tailbone in. So imagine you're trying to tuck that tailbone in, hold that position, squeeze your core, and then you can do your hip extensions from that anterior pelvic tilt position, and you should feel your glutes a lot more in the exercise. Now let's say you've got one of these bands, so one of the smaller bands. What I want you to do is put the band in a position where it's on your laces. You're then going to come into the same position, and from here it's all the same cues. You're in a position where you're on your hands and knees. Tuck your tailbone in. From here, make sure that the foot that you're not coming out with is solid on the floor. And you're going to do exactly the same, kicking directly out and directly behind you when you do your hip extensions. Of course, you want to repeat this for your desired amount of sets and reps on both sides, making sure they're even, unless you're doing this as part of a rehab and you've got one side that's stronger than the other. That's how to do hip extensions with a rubber band or one of the smaller resistance bands.